has made landfall as a Category 4, winds of 155 miles per hour, just 2 miles per hour short of that Category 5 status. This is an incredibly...
Leaving boats piled in the yard, houses split open, and empty lots with little evidence of what stood there before.
The flooding not just on the coast, but of course inland too. Tonight there are urgent rescues underway.
All right, we're down in Englewood, Florida. Hurricane Ian hit Fort Myers and got Englewood pretty bad. Everybody lost phone signal, service, internet, power, water. Everything's closed, shut down. Danny posted on social media that he couldn't get in touch with his family. He was in LA flying into Atlanta. I was like, hey dude, I'll pick you up from the airport. We got this thing that's watertight. You can pretty much go anywhere. And I was like, we'll pick you up. We'll come down to Englewood. We'll go around and make sure everyone's safe. Rescue people that need it. We got 2 pallets of water, tarps, everything. About to go ahead and get unloaded and go see what we can find out.
You with your boots on. You don't want to get your boots all
Dude,
wet or something?
I've been wet.
Look at them. I'm over here in my barefoot. I just don't know what exactly I'm stepping in, if that makes sense.
It's a little bit of everything.
Nasty
probably.
sewage water and shit.
I can't even reach it.
Short people problems.
I got it. Come on down with it. I got it.
It's heavy. You got it? It's heavy.
No, I mean, I can't reach it. I'll try my best when it comes down.
Absolutely.
You guys need water?
Absolutely. There we go. Graham's over there giving this gentleman some water. Chase just handed 2 cases over there. These guys just got some water. We're giving some water to this guy as well, and we're gonna continue to make our rounds all over the place.
So this lady stopped us. Oh man.
She's crying, dude. Oh.
What is it?
And I work for Winn-Dixie, and you know what they did today? I wasn't here because I left as soon as I could this morning. 3 trucks came from Winn-Dixie to try to save me. Is that not incredible?
That's amazing.
Make sure the news knows Winn-Dixie rocks.
Absolutely.
Because Walmart wouldn't do that, Publix wouldn't do that, but and when you walk back here, it's like,
Jeez.
oh, it's my home.
You're alive, man.
Thank God you're alive. Thank God you're alive.
It's just.
Oh my gosh.
I hid in this closet and it's still intact.
So you were in here while all this was going on?
Yes. I hid in here.
Oh.
Got it. You're man.
Oh
Man, you're alive.
So I would like to tell Winn-Dixie, thank you so much for being my employer, because you sent 3 men here to check on my house. You took pictures and you brought a truck to evacuate me if I needed to go. And I want to just thank you. And
Awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I would give you a thumbs up.
Right.
Angels, thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
There's literally a dead fish right there on the sewer. Dude, Chase, you want to get something to eat?
Yeah, that's dinner tonight.
I'm hungry, baby.
I mean, I've never seen one of these.
There we go. You might have to move back and get your good angles there. I don't know.
Yeah, there you go. I get one that you're driving away too.
Fabulous.
Most
Oh,
definitely.
thank you so much.
Hey, trust us. It's a great feeling to be doing this.
Oh,
so.
this is great.
Most
Thank
definitely.
you. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So we don't have any running water here.
Or power.
Or power. We haven't taken a shower since what's today? What do you today's Saturday, right?
I don't know. Friday?
It's Saturday.
No, it's just Friday.
Tomorrow's Sunday.
Yeah, today's Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday.
All right, come on.
You ever seen a man give another man a bath?
Well, at least you're not a sponge bath. Are we wiping them down too, or?
You know.
Come on, get me wet. That's what she said.
Out of water.
I feel like you're squirting.
He literally just has a water bottle in his left hand. That's literally it. It's not coming out. I can feel it, bro. I can feel it. I felt the pile of that shit.
All right, so yesterday we finished up. It was getting dark. We couldn't see no more, so we had to call it quits. It's a new day. We're up here in Northport, and we got the emergency first responders. They need water, they need energy drinks, tarps, snacks. We have all that, but the only thing is it's flooded and there's like tons of water. I don't know if you can see it, but we have the Humvee, which is watertight. We have Danny's shirt, which floats on water. We can get in there. We'll be able to help people out, maybe recover some people, and yeah, I guess we'll see what, yeah, go from there.
Oh, sh Alright, so we're literally going through a very dense section. This is technically a dirt road that we're riding on. Good job, Chase, on driving. We'll keep on going. What the? I did not sign up for that, dude. I did not sign up for that. Dude. Dude, the camera, dude. It's water resistant, so we're good, but nah, I'm alright. Yeah. Damn it.